Hey guys, spin mops have become increasingly popular over the last few years. They wring out excess water without getting your hands wet, and they make mopping a breeze. But given the number of brands that are on the market today, we've decided to take a few of the most popular brands and compare them side by side to help you make the decision about which mop is the best decision for you. Now we have two different kinds of spin mops. So we've taken the top two popular brands for the foot pedal spin mops and the top two popular brands for the hand push spin mops. As you can see, they're all aligned here, and I'll very quickly go over the contents of each of these boxes. However, to start, I will let you know that all of the mops do come with a mop and a bucket already. Now the O-Cedar Easy Ring, as well as the Hurricane, which are the foot pedal spin mops, only come with the one mop head that's already attached. As for the other two, which are the hand push spin mops, the Mopnado and the Twist and Shout, they not only come with the mop head already attached, but an additional one inside the box. Also, the Mopnado comes with an additional scrubber attachment. Now, the mop head is the smallest on the Hurricane, and it does have the shortest handle out of all four. But the longest handles are on the Twist and Shout and the Mopnado. So let's first talk about the foot pedal spin mops. First, the O-Cedar Easy Ring has a larger bucket than the Hurricane. Now I'm actually going to spin dry them for you. You're going to completely dunk both of these mops into the water, press it firmly into the spin, and use the foot pedal to spin. Now I went ahead and spun that one 10 times, and I'll do the same for the other, but you can see it's pretty soggy, still at the mop head. Same thing for this, you completely dunk it in the water, press down firmly, and use the foot pedal to spin. Again, I'm going to go ahead and do this 10 times. Same thing for this, mop head is soggy, and I can actually still wring excess water out. Now what that means for you is it is going to take longer for the floor to dry, which means it's probably not good for wooden floors. And this is the primary reason that Amazon users give the O-Cedar Easy Ring 7% one-star ratings. Now the Hurricane actually has 25% one-star ratings on Amazon, and the reasons for this seem to be broken foot pedals and water leaks. Now just as a side note, both of these products do come with a 1-year warranty. Now let's go ahead and move over to the hand push dry spin mops. The difference here is there's no foot pedal, and all you do is simply firmly press down on the handles to make the mop spin. But let's talk first about the buckets. So the Mopnado has a large bucket with a bunch of features. There's wheels on the outside, a soap dispenser already included, an agitator on the inside where the water goes, and a stainless steel spinner. Now the bucket itself is pretty heavy. So while these handles do make it easier to move, it's quite a challenge to pick it up and dump out the water. Contrastly, for the Twist and Shout, it's made of a pretty sturdy plastic material, and it's only about half the weight of the Mopnado, so it's much easier to pick up. Now let's go ahead and dry spin the mops. Similar to what we did before, we'll go ahead and dunk it, and what you have to do with these mops is you do have to unlock the handles. So once it's been dunked, you're going to go ahead and make sure all the strands are inside and press firmly to dry spin them off. Now these ones I'm only going to dry spin 5 times. So once it's done, you go ahead and lock it up, but you can see there's no excess water coming out, which is already different from the foot pedal dry spin mops. I'll go ahead and do this one as well so you can see. Again, you want to unlock the handle, and because the Mopnado has an agitator inside, you actually can hook it on and spin the mop to get it wet. Again, make sure that all the strands are inside. You hook it in and press firmly down. You want to lock it up again. But you can see there's no excess water coming out like the foot pedal dry spin mops. Now let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about the handles. So the twist and shout actually is made of a very light but very sturdy material. Also, the swivel head appears to be quite sturdy as well. Now, users on Amazon do give it a 2% 1-star rating, and this appears to be because the handle breaks in the middle. But in contrast, the Mopnado actually gets 4% 1-star ratings. Complaints include similar things where the middle of the handle actually disconnects, but also, if you can see here, there's a plate right here in the middle, and the complaint seems to be that this plate, just after a few uses, actually splits completely away from the handle itself. Now, as for warranties, the Mopnado comes with a 1-year warranty, whereas the Twist and Shout comes with a lifetime warranty. So you can see that they have a little bit more confidence, it appears, in their product at the Twist and Shout. So while the Mopnado does appear to be a more deluxe product with many features, we do question its reliability. Okay. So, to summarize, the hand-push spin mops dry better and they appear to be of better quality. If you're looking for a budget-friendly mop with decent quality, we would recommend the O-Cedar Easy Ring at $33.88. If you're looking for a more deluxe version with all the features and decent reliability, we would recommend the Mopnado, but it is the priciest at $59.95. Lastly, if you're looking for a classic hand-push spin mop that lasts, we would recommend the Twist and Shout Spin Mop. This is priced at $39.95, and personally it's my favorite because how can you beat a lifetime guarantee? It also gets 4.7 out of 5 stars on Amazon, which is the highest out of all 4. So that's about it. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check out our website for more detailed comparison charts and watch some of the comparison videos for other products.